Hello everyone, I'm Yash Patel and welcome to my channel Django World. So in today's video, we are going to complete the home design which we left in the previous video in middle of the video, right? So yeah, we are going to complete that. So here in the home.html we left it. So here I have created the grid of 8 columns for the main row, and now I'll just duplicate that one, and here I will say 4. Okay, so 8 plus 4 is 12, and website has 12 grid. Okay, yeah, that's it. And here I will say warning, and here I will say nav. Okay, main and nav. Yeah, I will have that. Okay, in the browser, just come over here, refresh. Now you can see the columns are separated equally. Okay, okay. Now once this is done, let's go to getbootstrap.com, and I'll go to this list group, yeah, over here, and I'll just grab this one and I'll paste that over here in the nav columns, right? So if I come over here, refresh, you can see we got this list, but we don't want this, right? So from the top, I'll just leave some margin. I'll say empty icon 3. This should leave some margin from the top. Yeah, that's it. And let's go to the getbootstrap.com, and here I'm going to go to the card. So I'm searching for this type of simple card. Yeah, I'll just get that and paste that over here. Yeah, come over here, sorry, refresh, we got the card. And maybe, yeah, that's it, I guess. Let me do one more thing. I'll just duplicate this and let me see whether the CSS is going to stop or not. Yeah, not. Okay, so here I'll say empty icon 3 just to equal up the lines. I'll say refresh. Yeah, and now I also want margin between these two card bodies. Okay, or let me do one more thing. I'll just not repeat this line, but I'll repeat the card. Okay, just select that, control D, and we'll refresh. Yeah, it's distributing the margin perfectly. Okay, now here I'll print the employee's first and last name. Okay, and underneath on that name, I'll also add one button, and by clicking on that button, it will take to the employee's detail page where it will show all the details of the employee. Okay, now to do this, we need to bring all the data from this to here, and we are already passed this variable in this line, so this template has the access to employees data, right? Now before doing this, let's fix this nav bar. Okay, now here I'll just write create, sorry, add employee. Okay, add employee, then what's other link I need to add? Yeah, that's it, I guess. I'll just mute these lines as of now. When we need it, we will use it. Okay, good, refresh. Yeah, done. Now here I'll also add the anchor tag, but not now. When we will create the function for create employee, at that time we will add the link over here. Okay, this will take to the other page where we can add all employees. That's it. Now since we have access to the employees data, I'll just close this base.html, come over here, I'll just remove this print statement, not a good practice, and I'll iterate the for loop over here. I'll just ignore, delete the card. I have created extra one, so the card from here would be deleted now, and I will also remove this background color. We don't need any more. Okay, now it's neat and clean. See, Okay, so here I'll say for, okay, and I'll say emp in all underscore emp, take this end for and paste it after this div tag. Okay, now since we have one employee added, it will show one card. If I add another employee over here, so I'll say group Patel 12,000 salary. And here I'll say group. Oops. MP 1212 group. Save it. If I come over here and refresh, you can see two cards over here. Okay. Now let's print the first and last name. So I'll say double curly brackets emp dot emp first underscore names. I just copy this, paste that over here. I'll do space. Same for the last name. Copy, paste. Okay, come over here, refresh. You can see Dhruv, Sutel, and Yash. Now here one thing to notice is, if you remember, I have told you that when we create the new employee, it would show on the, okay, that is because I have added that order by function over here. So what if I remove this? Okay, refresh. You can see the old employee is on the top and the new one is at the bottom, right? We wouldn't, I like, no one generally, you know, accept this. They don't like to do that. All the new things should be on the top, right? Just refresh. Yeah. Now I'll come over here, add BR tag, and here I'll say A and anchor tag. Href would be hashtag as of now, and here I'll say role equals to button, and class equals to btn hyphen primary. That's it. Come over here, refresh, and here I'll say show the employee's first name hyphen s profile. That's it. Now if the user clicks over here, it would be redirected to the user's profile, and here I will say btn-sm. That's it. I need small button, yeah. Okay, that's it. We have designed the home page. It's looking very good, I know. Okay, I'm so sorry. I have kept this design simple because we are not focusing on design in this tutorial. We are only focusing on the CRUD operations. If you like my video, please like, share, subscribe to my channel, and in next video we are going to see this employees profile view. Okay, so once we click on this button, it would take to the employees detail page where we will see how we can get a single employee. Okay, single employee data. So yeah, see you in the next one. Thank you.